Well, Jacques, on this wintry kind of day, we're going to go to the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary here, and we're going to see what kind of birds we can find.
Well, Charlie, that sounds very good to me, and let's see what we can find. Look, Charlie, I found an eagle.
And it looks like I found a lot of ducks here. Look, Doc, someone decorated that bench with Christmas decorations. Is it a raven or is it a crow?
Look, Charlie, it's a chickadee.
No, it's a nuthatch.
No, Charlie, it's a chickadee.
No, it's a nuthatch. Chickadee. Nuthatch. And that concludes our bird watching episode at Inglewood Bird Sanctuary.